In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove statuses from a Jira workflow. Whether you're looking to streamline your project management process or simply declutter your workspace, learning how to effectively manage and update your Jira workflow is a skill that can greatly enhance your productivity. It's a straightforward process that will make your project management much more efficient. So, let's dive right in and walk through each step with clarity. To start, you'll want to navigate to the specific project you're working on. This initial step is crucial because workflows in Jira are tailored to individual projects, and you need to ensure you're making adjustments in the right context. Once you have the project open, proceed by accessing an issue within that project. Opening an issue furnishes us with a starting point to view the project's workflow, essentially anchoring us to where the changes will take place. When you open an issue, your next task is to locate the status button. You'll typically find this at the top right of your screen. This button is handy as it indicates the current stage your issue is in, which could be statuses like to do or in progress. Clicking on this button serves as our gateway to viewing and modifying workflows. After clicking the status button, a drop-down menu appears. From here, select the option labeled View Workflow. This selection will launch a visual representation of your current workflow, detailing all the transitions and statuses that are set up for the project. While it might appear somewhat complex at the outset, rest assured our focus is solely on removing a status today. In this workflow view, you'll notice an option to Edit Workflow. Click on that, and you will enter the editing mode where changes can be made. Keep in mind that changes to a workflow will affect the entire project, so it's essential to consider whether any modifications could potentially impact your team or existing issues. Now, with the workflow in edit mode, it's time to select the status you wish to delete. Simply click on the node representing the status you want to remove. Once clicked, it will highlight, and additional options for that status will appear in the right-hand panel. On this panel, you will see an option to Delete Status. Clicking this will remove the selected status from the workflow. It's as straightforward as that, but a gentle reminder: make sure you're not disrupting your team's workflow by deleting something that's integral to the process. And just like that, you've learned the steps needed to remove a status from a Jira workflow. Whether you're organizing or reshaping your process to meet new project demands, this capability keeps your Jira environment tidy and effective. Thanks for watching today. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like or subscribe for more useful tips. I'll catch you in the next video.